Introducing the 2021 Volvo Xc40 T5 PHEV Inscription. 5-door auto in sleek grey exterior colour, with a 1.5 litre petrol, plug-in hybrid electric engine and automatic transmission. This estate Jeep is the epitome of luxury and performance. Loaded with comfort and accessories like air conditioning, satellite navigation and power folding mirrors, this vehicle ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride for all passengers. Safety is a top priority, with features such as ABS, parking assistance and collision avoidance braking. The stylish design includes roof rails, LED lights and a chrome package for added flair. You can drive with confidence knowing this vehicle has a full multi-point health and safety check and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us now or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in style and comfort with the 2021 Volvo Xc40 T5.